Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about a Revolve Surface. So this is the Revolve feature in Surface module, and this is the Revolve feature. And I'm going to explain how to create flower vase, and also I'm going to explain how to create this impeller. So let's start now. See, I am in sketcher mode, so I have created a small circle. Now I am going to create revolve feature using this center line and this circle. So a circular ring is formed here. You can see the cross section. It's a hollow. So this is zero thickness surface. So whenever we create any feature in surface module, it is zero thickness. Later stage we add thickness using thicken option. Now I am going to show you other options in revolve feature. Here we can change the angle. See here I have taken 360 degrees complete revolution. I can take 120 degrees. So this is a simple hollow tube. And I can use a direction tool also. So we have other options. So other option is mid plane. So I have taken 120 degrees. So mid plane, it is symmetric about this sketch. I'll show you in top view. Now I'm going to change the angle, for example 150. So it is symmetrically adding angle. See here. Now I am going to show you other options. For that, on surface is required. See here, up to vertex. So if I select any vertex, any corner, so it takes up to this surface, up to vertex. See here. So when I see in top view, so it is taking up to this vertex. Similarly, I can use up to surface. So it creates up to this surface. See here. This is the surface. Next is offset from the surface. Now See here. So it is taking other direction. I'll reverse this offset. See here. So this is the surface. And it is creating an offset of 10 mm. See here. Now I am going to show you simple ways. So I have created one simple sketch. So it is automatically taking the center line. So most of us like to create flower vase or pots using Revolve feature. Next I am going to show you impeller. So I have taken a simple sketch. So this is for impeller body. Now I can add thickness to this body. Suppose 1 mm. So this is the impeller body. Now I can create one surface on this top plane. So surface extrude. Here I can create up to next loop direction. See, here simple vein has been created. Now I can create the pattern. So before that I should add thickness to this surface. Just we need to go to circular pattern and select imaginary axis and say OK. So this is the impeller body. So we can create various kinds of impellers. This is a rough sketch of impeller design. So we can create different models using these Revolve features. So this is brief about Revolve Surface in SolidWorks. Thank you.